Hey, if you are wondering how you can check if your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE are fake, then it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is just to connect them into your phone and then go to the Google Play Store, download the Galaxy Wearable application and simply just open it. Right now, once you actually connect them, the original version of the Buds will automatically connect into the application. If you have fake one, they will don't connect at all, or if they connect, they will don't have full functionality. So for example, you will don't have like a noise cancellation, or by going to the earbuds settings, you will don't find the option to update software, or for example, get advanced settings with seamless earbud connection or read notification allowed. And also you will be not able to access this information over here. You will don't have the serial number of right and the left earbud. And if you are using Samsung smartphone, then you will also don't have option to track them because they will don't have the GPS for the earbuds. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you find it useful, please hit the like button.